2812B right here. And here is the transmitter. It is non-proportional. Also here in this pack we have a USB charger, we have a screwdriver, and then here we have the wheel for the controller, which on this controller it is reversible. Like you can put the wheel on either side, whichever you prefer to steer with. And then when you change the steering wheel, you just flip this switch here to whichever side the steering wheel is on. And then here is your power switch. So that is it. Pretty basic controller. Nothing really to go over. You will need 2 AA batteries. And then here it does come with an instruction manual. Here is the truck. It is a little short course style truck. Pretty cool looking. I like it. And it is 1/20th scale. If you pop the body off here, take the clips out. If you pop the body off, you can't really see any of the electronics. The motor is back here. We have a solid axle with suspension right here. And then the front does have independent suspension. On the bottom is your on and off switch. There is your steering trim. And then after you take the screw out, you pop the battery lid off. And then it does come with a 4.8 volt, 700 milliamp hour nickel cadmium battery. So that is the Jule 2812B. That's everything that comes in the box. So now we're gonna go out and see how well this thing drives. I figured I'd just do a little bit of talking while I'm walking, but here we have the Jule UJ99 2812B. So it is 2-wheel drive, it's non-proportional, as you can see. Same with the steering, but let's put this thing down and see how well it drives. See how fast it is. It definitely needs trimmed. It's going to the left. There we go, that's a little better. I think I over trimmed it. Now it wants to go to the right. I'm not even turning there and it's drifting to the right. I hate these these manual adjusting trims here, because especially on these little trucks, you can never get them perfect, because once you think you get it, it just is off then. Sorry for the wind if there's any wind in the audio. It's been like pretty windy the past few days, and I just thought now would be a great opportunity to come out and drive this truck around, because all February long it's been like March weather, and now we get to the end of February and now it wants to be February. So it's a little cold and windy, but hopefully you can still hear me. So I thought I'd come back here to the dam. I filmed a few of these videos here at the dam because I like it back here. So I guess we'll check the range out, since I'm just going and going and going. And oh, that's about it. I couldn't stop. So that, I don't know, that's probably about, it's over 100 feet, that's for sure. Now I'm in the grass. That's one thing with this 2-wheel drive truck is, and it's so small that it doesn't go through the grass too well. I also don't know the top speed of this truck. I would put it at around 8 or 9 miles an hour. Not a real tight circle there. But it is a fun little truck. I mean, it's only around $20, so this is not a bad buy in my opinion. Oh, I'm in the grass. See what I mean? It just, oh yeah, I backed myself out of there. So if you didn't already, over here is a subscribe button. Go ahead and click that, smack that like button, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.